Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
To start, slightly thawing your dumplings helps them cook more evenly and prevents sticking to the pan later on. Just let them sit out for 10 to 15 minutes before you begin. Having all your tools and ingredients ready makes the entire process much smoother. You will need a good non-stick pan with a matching lid, your preferred cooking oil, and about 1/4 cup of water. This simple preparation ensures a successful culinary adventure. Achieving the perfect crispy bottom starts with heating your pan correctly. Put your non-stick pan on medium-high heat and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Make sure the oil coats the entire bottom surface of the pan. You want the oil to be hot enough to sizzle when a tiny drop of water hits it, just before it starts smoking. This ensures an even, golden brown crust for your dumplings. Get ready for some delicious crispiness. Now for the satisfying sizzle. Place your dumplings flat side down into the hot oil. Don't overcrowd the pan, leave a little space between each one so they can crisp up properly. Listen to that gentle sizzle, it means the magic is happening. Let them sear undisturbed for about 2 to 3 minutes. You're looking for that gorgeous, deep golden brown crust on the bottom, which adds so much texture and flavor. After achieving that perfect sear, it's time to cook the filling through. Carefully pour 1/4 cup of water directly into the hot pan. Immediately cover it with the lid to trap all that steam inside. This is key for cooking the insides. Reduce your heat to medium-low and let them steam for about 5 to 7 minutes. The steam will gently cook the dumplings from the inside out, making them tender and juicy. This step ensures they are thoroughly cooked. When all the water has evaporated and you hear the pan start to sizzle again, it's time to remove the lid. The dumpling wrappers should look tender and almost translucent, indicating they are fully cooked. Give one a gentle poke to ensure the filling is firm. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked, crispy-bottomed dumplings onto a plate. Serve them immediately with some soy sauce, chili oil, or a sesame ginger sauce for an incredible, satisfying meal. Enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.